It was a bright and happy morning in Colorville, a cheerful cartoon town with smiling house. Hello, I keep the colors shining bright. I'm Luma, I glow, I help colors grow. Paint it pink, paint it blue, colors make dreams come true.
I love colors! They make everything fun.
Suddenly, a strange breeze blew.
Where did the red go? Red was here, now it's gone.
Colors were disappearing everywhere. Yellow faded, blue ran away. Oh no. The colors are losing their magic. I'm fading, I'm weak. We have to fix this. I won't give up. Think, think, think. Colors come from happiness and kindness. People forgot imagination. Splash, splash, paint! Meow! Let's bring them back! The color crystal is broken! Fix the crystal! Save the day! They began their journey. Step by step we go. This place feels sad. Bring joy back. Let's help it. Kindness brings color. Blue is back. Tweet. Let's cheer it up. Laugh and clap. Joy filled the air. It worked! Hello, sunshine!
We need courage. Be brave.
Colors, come back! Yes! Red is back!
They found the crystal!
It needs teamwork. Together!
We believe kind words heal. Meow magic! Splash the joy!
The crystal healed. Shine bright.
Wow! Colors everywhere!
Colorville, a cheerful cartoon town with smiling houses and colorful streets, magical and friendly.
Thank you. Dance, dance song.
Yay!
You saved the colors! Magic is back!
We did it together, friends forever. Let's add more colors, paint the sky. A parade of joy.
Colors live in kindness. Be kind, be bright.
We promise, we care.
A perfect ending.
Even stars are happy.
Remember the colors. Goodbye, goodbye. All was calm.
Sweet dreams!
Kindness brings color to life.
And they lived in color ever after.